Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make lemon chicken. These are the ingredients that you need. I have 1 pound of chicken thigh, boneless chicken thigh, and you need 1 lemon, pepper, wine, soy sauce, sugar, salt, cornstarch, and water, and also oil. I'm going to start the marination. Less than 1/4 teaspoons of pepper, 3 tablespoons of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of cooking wine. That's about half. 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch. About that. And then just mix it. Now it's been all mixed. Let it marinate for at least 15 minutes. The chicken has been marinated for 1/2 hour. So I'm going to crack an egg. And then I'm going to mix it. It's like egg wash. And then I'm going to put cornstarch over the cornstarch. I would do it 2 times, but this is 1 time. Okay, put it on the side. Okay, we are going to deep fry the the chicken. The oil is hot. The bubble is in there, so therefore that tells you the oil is hot. I'm going to deep fry it in medium heat. Can only hold 2 at a time, so I'm going to do it. Chicken is still not ready, it's still bubbling, and I can still hear a lot of bubbling sound, so that means it's not cooked. My chicken is golden brown in both sides, so I'm going to stick my chopstick in there. If it can stick through easily, that means my chicken is cooked, which it is. Yeah. Yep. Okay. So I'm going to drain it. And I'm going to deep fry a second time, so it will be more crisp. Zest a little bit of the lemon for the sauce. Did like almost the whole lemon, so this is how much I think it's enough. And I am going to cut the lemon. I'm going to squeeze it out for the sauce. I'm going to cut a couple for just decoration. And then I'm going to squeeze this into here. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to add 1. I'm going to use like less than 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, and I'm going to pour water in there. Until the sugar is dissolved. The sugar has been dissolved and the water is boiling, so the juice is boiling. So I'm going to add in the starch little by little just in case. I don't want it too thick. And I'm using medium heat by any chance if you need to know. Still a little thin. I'm going to add it all and it should be okay. See the color change too? It's still a little watery. Let me put a little bit more starch. Just by a little. See the thickness, and it's see-through. It's nice and crispy. Okay. This is the lemon sauce. I'm going to pour it over. Look at this beautiful dish. If you have not subscribed to my channel and you like the way I cook, please click the red subscribe button on your screen. There is no cost or fee to you. Thank you and see you next time. Enjoy.